So if you're watching this video, it means that you're really considering to approach level 10, broken algorithms. This is a completely different level than what you've seen so far. So here the goal is to fix the algorithm, and I'm giving you a bit of an extra description per puzzle, sometimes with some extra rules. We've got so far two puzzles available. The first one is about quantum teleportation. It's a version of quantum teleportation that seems to be broken and I can't fix somehow. So the idea is to fix it, right? And I'm expecting you to familiarize yourself with the algorithm, so I'm not going to give you a lot of guidance in there. Grover's algorithm is the puzzle that was featured in one of the turn the qubits off with Quirky. It's a puzzle that's about fixing a version of Grover's algorithm that is supposed to amplify the states that have exactly two ones in their binary representation. So, for example, the state 1001 would be it's a state that we want to amplify, but not the 1000. Those puzzles look like these. So they are a bit more complicated. So you have a combination of, it's really specific to the concrete algorithm. In this case, we've got like, what looks like a traditional Grover algorithm, but we can see here with the display that things are not really working as expected. Here I really go, I'm really generous. I'm really going to give you access to all the gates available in Quirk. And so the goal is to amplify, remember, those states that have exactly two ones in their binary representation, right? And I really ask in this particular case, for example, that you do not delete. Like if you know how the algorithm really works and how to implement it, that's not a solution, right? I'm not expecting that you just trash those boxes and implement it by yourself. The idea is to find why they don't work and try to fix them. So ideally, you will not remove any of the existing black boxes and you will just try to fix them. If you're supposed to be able to remove some of them, I'll definitely make sure that I tell you in the description of the puzzle. If you fix some of those algorithms and you really want to share your experience, I'm more than happy to receive videos or descriptions or emails, and share them with the world as well. So I think those are nice exercises to kind of polish really the understanding of such algorithms. So have fun, and any feedback welcome. And if you're enjoying these, please subscribe to the channel Quantum Intuition, share the content, and stay in touch.